Hey everyone, welcome to TechsyCloud. In this video, I will show you how to install Docker on AWS EC2 instance and run a Nginx container step by step. First, I launch EC2 instance on my AWS account and I connect SSH this server. Here is all information about my EC2 server. I used Ubuntu server and I update my Ubuntu server. Sudo apt get update sudo. I just clear the skin and input sudo apt get install docker.io, hit enter. Yes to all. Input y. And running to install Docker on my Ubuntu server on AWS EC2. See the complete Docker install on my server. Also clear the scan and check any Docker container running or not. I just input Docker ps. Ps means process, Docker process. I see the error message permission deny because I just connect as a regular user, not root user. See this login is regular user or not. Who am I? You are also see the Ubuntu. That means the server not access to root privilege. First I just permission the server to access any Docker execute command. The first sudo user mod means user mod means user modification hyphen a and g append and group. I just Ubuntu user add the Docker group. That's why use this command. Mention the Docker group. And who is user? I just input running login user. That's why I use variable. Successful execute, and I restart my server, then execute the command, and we have a also method without restart. I just refresh the group to execute permission. You can just check docker ps. The system did not apply the command. I just without restart to execute the permission. Now use new means new group or new user, add the group new grp. Who is group? Name is Docker. I think our Docker group is refresh without restart. Then I just check docker ps. I think I did not. I'm not showing any permission. Yes, our Docker system is fully execute command without root access. I just check my Docker version. Docker double hyphen version. Yes, this is 29. 1.3. So our Docker is successfully installed and configured on my Ubuntu server. Now I just run for test as a simple Nginx container on this Docker. I just pull the Nginx image on the server, Docker full Nginx yes, complete download new Docker image for Nginx. I think the tag name is Nginx latest. I just check the Nginx image downloaded or not. Images. See, I have one image. This image download last few second ago, and I just ran the image on the Docker and check to outside browser. Docker run double hyphen. I just input container name is web and port name is I just allow 80 port because 80 port is allow on my EC2 firewall, and our image name is Nginx latest. Just enter. Oh sorry, I just run the direct run on terminal. I just missing some command parameter. I just want to run is background, not foreground. Just hyphen D means detach mode and run my container in background. Oh sorry, the already web 1 is exists web. I did not remove it because I just changed the name and successful running. I just check Docker ps and one container. Arise question, where is web? This is web 1. I think when I close the terminal, my Docker container is exited. So I just the command is stop it state. I just check Docker ps hyphen a. That means all container are installed on server. You see the web and web 1 and web. Here is successful running. I just check our Docker container is work or not. Here is browser. I just copy my public IP from AWS account and hit enter. You see the Nginx container is successfully working on EC2 server using Docker. And you get more video, and to subscribe the channel I will try to upload it more useful video to all new beginner. Yeah, thank you.